Good morning, friends. Really, it's a pleasure and honor for us to welcome you all to the 9th edition of National Media Conclave. We have with us today in the inaugural session Professor B.K. Ravi, Vice Chancellor, Koppal University and Executive Chairman, Indian Communication Congress, Professor Dr. Ashwini Kumar Nanda, Director AI and HPC Research Center, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, he is with us. And Professor K.V. Nagaraj is a very popular, known name in the media education, and he is the Pitamaha Bhisma, and he is with us today. We have Professor Raju Keddy, the Pro Vice Chancellor of KIT deemed to be University, he is with us. And Professor V.L. Darurkar, now the Emeritus Professor in the MGM University and former Vice Chancellor, Tripura Central University, he is with us. I welcome you all to this inaugural session of the 9th National Media Conclave. I feel very honored to welcome the professors, those are with us, the research scholars, Professor Mir Ranjan Patra, Anjani Kumar Jha, Lokesh Sharma, Arul Chelvan, Mahendra Kumar Padhi, Rajiv Kumar Ponda, Dr. Gyanaranjan Mishra, Dr. Hare Krishna Behra, and with the Professor Pradeep Malik, and I welcome you all to the inaugural session. I also welcome to the research scholars, the friends, media friends, and the paper presenters, the invited paper presenters of the 9th National Media Conclave. Today is the 21st November. Since 2017, the journey of National Media Conclave here in Bhubaneswar, we all are the part of this National Media Conclave since 2017. Now this is 2025. November 21st is the birthday of Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatma. With you all, I pay my rich tribute to this legendary statesman of our state, the former Chief Minister, former Union Minister, former Governor, former editor of renowned Odia Daily, the Prajatantra, on his 126th birth anniversary. Dr. Mahatma, during his lifetime, he had contributed immensely for the freedom movement of our country, for the unification of our country, and for the development and growth of Odia journalism in our state. He had pioneered a lot of things in his lifetime. And to remember his birthday, we are celebrating this National Media Conclave here in Bhubaneswar. I am really grateful to all the media educators, research scholars, students and professionals, particularly those who are part of this 9th National Media Conclave. This year 9th National Media Conclave, the broad theme is Media 5.0 Digital Communication. This is a very emerging and trending issue in our society today. At the outset, again I congratulate you all for your gracious presence in this 9th National Media Conclave. The world is changing, so is the media world. We have moved into Media 5.0 now, and we are trapped into the new immersive technology. In the media sector, everyone is a non-professional media person. Everyone is a communicator in this present-day society, those who are dealing with the media. Media managers dictate the content creation and the dissertation in the new revenue models. And these new revenue models has become prioritized over idealism and ideology. The whole corporatization of technology is real, and merger and demergers tech giants have marked to the Indian media market nowadays. Technology cannot be the lone cause and the all-around development of human beings, and it may prompt and aid development. Too much focus on technology has already created ripples in our social life. So it is when we are all talking about the changes in the technology the media world is facing now, and it is the high time we all should remember Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi and his conceptualizing his teachings of common welfare. Gandhi was not against technology, but he was against the technology that would cause disruption in the lives of the masses. As of now, unfortunately, the new technology of artificial intelligence has made employment in many sectors of redundant. So in these 3 days National Media Conclave, we have planned 5 plenary sessions. In these 5 plenary sessions, our guests and they will deliberate and discuss, and the research scholar will participate, particularly 5 areas. These are AI deepfakes and credibility crisis, data privacy in digital domain issues and concerns, digital narratives, cyber security and media ethics, media forensics and synthetic media, the ginger effects, trust and twist in digital gatekeeping. So in these 3 days, we will focus on these areas, and I hope in these 3 days, the deliberations that will help to our scholars to leave Bhubaneswar with new ideas in the media 5.0 and digital communications. Again, I welcome you all to this land of Lord Jagannath with the ideology Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and I hope you all will enjoy during these 3 days in the National Media Conclave here in Bhubaneswar. With these words, again, I welcome you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.